Hello guys, today we will understand the pattern of computer application paper in ICSE board. It is divided into two sections. First is section A. Second is section B. In section A, we will see all the theory questions and outputs of computer application. In section B, we will only see programs. In section 1, question number 1, all the questions are from theory part. Okay, all the question from question 1 to question 5, all the questions are from, it consists, question 1 is consist of question 5 parts. Okay, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, all the 5 questions are from theory. In question number 2, it is also consist of 5 parts, 1 to 5, but 90% chance all the questions are from practical work. Practical, like what is the difference between while and do while. Okay, and also some that tell the data type of any of the value which they will give. Okay, and some tell the initial value of the int, float, double. Okay, some practical questions from of question number 2. And last, only 3 questions are there in section A. Last, question number 3, it consists of 10 parts from question number 1 to 10. Okay, in this 90% questions are outputs. Okay, 90% questions are output in question number 3. Section A, question number 3, all the, I think not all the, but 90% questions are output, and out of 10, I think 1 or 2 questions are from difference type or theory. Okay guys, if we will talk about this section B, it consists of 6 questions. Question 1, 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. Right? Out of 6 you have to attempt only 4 questions. Out of 6 you have to attempt 4 questions, and each question is of 15 marks. Right? Question number B contains 60 marks of computer application paper, and it consists of 40 marks. In this, one question is from pattern, or we can say one question is from loop. Okay, one question is from array. Okay guys, one question is from function, one question is from string, one question is basic type. We can say basic type. The programs which you learn in the starting in chapter 1, I think unit 6. Okay, that I can tell you the example of these types of question, like Armstrong number, perfect number, Buzz number, this type of question. And the last one is object type. between function and constructor, there is one chapter that is class as a object type. There is one chapter, one question is from there, right? This is the type, this is the pattern of ICSE computer application paper. So again I remind you, in question number 1 is of theory, question number 2 is of practical type, 90% practical, not 100, and question number 3 you can say 100% practical questions, 100% outputs in question number 3rd. Okay, and question number, section A contain 40 marks, section B contains 60 marks. There are 6 questions in section B and you have to attempt only 4 questions. Each question is of 15 marks. It's on you which chapters you want to prepare. But I tell you, I remind you again, not so easy questions will be there in 2020 paper from program side. In 2020 paper, according to me, I think theory will be easy, theory and output will be easy. Practical means programs will be very hard. But I am telling, programs will be very hard in 2020 paper. As you have seen, last year paper is also somewhat hard. So now also I think programs will be hard, as from last 2 years we are saying ICSE board computer application is reaching to the top level of hard paper, right? Not in theory but in programs. Okay, and also I want to remind you that there will be, I think, 60% chance in 2020 paper that one question is, one program out of these 6 could be of inheritance. I think because there is never ever the inheritance program was there in last previous papers. So as we have seen, our inheritance syllabus is increased by boards. So I think there will be one question of inheritance, one program of inheritance in your 2020 paper. This is the pattern of ICSE computer application paper of 2020. Thank you.